AI helps rediscover dinosaurs. Part 2 of 3. AI recreates dinosaur sound. AI analyzes vocal cavities and skulls to estimate how dinosaurs may have sounded, using comparisons with birds and reptiles. AI traces evolution from dinosaurs to bird. AI compares fossil data with birds to map how dinosaurs evolved into today's avian species, helping clarify evolutionary links. AI reconstructs dinosaur bones. Using joint and muscle data, AI predicts how dinosaurs moved, helping scientists simulate walking, running, and hunting across species. AI identifies new dinosaur species. AI scans museum fossils and databases, flagging bones that don't match known species, leading to the discovery of dinosaurs previously overlooked. Please hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications for latest news and updates. Thank you.